Hello friends. We got one requirement from application team and in our company access is very critical part so the requirement is there is one team and they want to trigger a job whenever they required. Okay, but they should not have an access to Azure Databricks. This is what the requirement now. So we should not provide an access for them. So to the user interface, for example, this interface. Okay. So for this, we are using a Postman. So first, wherever they are correct, our workspaces are behind VNet. So we asked them to make sure that host files are and the private endpoint host URLs and connectivity is fine. To check on that part when we shared and they added their host files and the connectivity is fine from where they are trying to connect our Databricks. So here you need to replace your up to .NET. You have to replace your with your URL if you want to use like slash token you have to use the post and you in the coming to the body we need to use grant type client credentials client id and secret. So here what I need to do here is go to like this one and go to settings and go to security and go to service principal and here we can create one dummy one whatever it like. I'm just creating this one and here you will get secret id and where there's this one and so here you will get the secrets and you can use this secret and client credentials here. Okay, so like that I have used for one of the job called text this one. So after this demo I'm going to delete all this one. I'm going to delete all this one. Okay, so I'm safe side. Okay, these GLAN type client credentials is same and scope all hyphen APIs is same. So once you prepared all of this one, then you have to send the trigger. Now this bearer token access token will be get generated and this will be active mostly 1 or 2 hours only. Okay. So after that it will get expire. Okay. Now you have to go to the another browser and in the browser you have to change this slash API 2.1 jobs run. Okay. Make sure this one. Now go to authorization. Go to bearer token this one here and select paste the access token now. Now go to the body here, select the raw and paste the JSON, use the same code and coming to job ID, you need to replace with your job ID here. Now, if as of now, if you see here, if I see go to jobs and this one, so as of now, 3 runs are there. Okay, so now whenever I click send here, the run ID will come here and job run in the number in job run will also get changed. If I trigger this one, see it will came. Now if I go and refresh, so it will started running. So if I refresh this one, so it got started. Okay, so this is how we shared access to the respective user without having access to Azure Databricks interface so that they can target only the respective job itself. Why? Because we have given for that SPN only as a job owner here. Okay, and the respective catalogs and what are the catalogs that they are using. So we have some restricted. We have not given any extra. So right now the job got succeeded. Okay, so this is how we have provided access to trigger the job whenever they require to the application team. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.